19 cases at nursing homes and assisted living around the state continue to drop as vaccinations continue.
Our Naomi Coles explains why state officials say we're at some of our lowest levels ever since the pandemic started.
Our elderly population here in Wisconsin is so close to the vaccine finish line. State officials say that this coming week is their first in a very long time where they don't have a new outbreak investigation scheduled.
Nancy Muller at Wickshire Senior Living is taking her time in the sun.
Keep a sense of humor. I mean, that sounds weird, but
after a long pandemic winter.
It helps.
Like everyone else here, she's a few days away from complete vaccination.
I've had my first one. I didn't feel a thing.
At the beginning, we had a really nice celebration. We had snacks for all residents, so it was a light at the end of the tunnel.
All residents chose to get a vaccine, and every staff member except one. Since the first round, John Sauer with Leading Age Wisconsin says the number of long-term care staff opting in to getting vaccinated is rising.
Some staff may have been hesitant and they deferred getting the vaccine until the second visit by the vaccinators. And at that time, we saw about a third increase in the number of staff receiving the vaccine.
COVID-19 cases and deaths in the 65-plus population have plummeted since vaccinations started. State officials say it correlates with those who've been vaccinated the longest, and that declining virus activity in a number of counties around the state will drive that down further.
We haven't had any cases here in a very, very long time.
We continue on this path and the variants don't come back to increase our numbers. We're in a really good trajectory.
And while you wait your vaccine turn, which state officials say could come as soon as end of May, a piece of advice from Nancy.
I thought I'll be 92 years old in a couple of weeks. And it's very easy to forget things that aren't pleasant. It really is.
Residents here have just another week left before they get their second dose. Reporting for News 3 Now, I'm Naomi Coles.